Hello guys, this is Derek Bertubin, Java 1 term 7 or 1307, and basically this is my screencast for week 1. I'm going to walk you through this code right quick. You can see that I don't really have too much time, but I would like to address some of those main questions that we saw here as far as what I did for my first project. Basically, my first project was a simple GPA calculator. It allows you to take in the letter grades and then convert that over to an integer. And as I can show you here, we are, whoops. So basically, here you go. You have a letter grade. I'm going to input a letter grade right quick. Now, I also used a lot of the extension methods for the get text in this one. So I took the lowercase, it will automatically convert it into an uppercase because that's how I have the conversion set up to recognize the uppercase version of the letters. And then right now we see that I inputted it, but there should be only one value. So when we calculate that, it's 4.0. So we're going to clear all that, and then I'm just going to add a couple. Now what I'll tell you though is when we go over here, we're going to see actually some of these values. So you see I cleared that, and if you're taking a look at the log cat, we're going to add a grade, and that's going to be A, B, C, and we're going to calculate it. It says a 3.0. Well, it's a little off, but when it comes down to it, the function's there. You know, I just have to tighten up my math and some of the logic, but that is that. So that's what I did for my application. Now, it doesn't meet the rubric. I already know that. It's more so of a lack of time. There's a lot of things missing out of here. So far, there's a lot of concepts that I was able to extrapolate from Objective-C. Some of the just basic programming fundamentals, although I think Java, I'm so used to thinking in Objective-C that I try to do things that are convenient in Objective-C that are not in Java. So it will take a little bit more of learning the custom classes, their methods, and how to do what I would normally do in Objective-C in Java. What would I have done differently? Maybe spent more time on the lynda.com videos to get a better understanding of some things. Also, I couldn't really think of an idea that would include all the things that were required for the assignment. If we take a look here, as we change the perspective, for the most part, and this is the problem with this video thing here, let's go ahead and click that. I did have a for loop in here. You know, I did include pretty much everything that we needed to accept custom functions. So maybe creating a custom, and there was a lot of code that could have been just eliminated, lines of code that could have been eliminated by creating a custom method and calling on that method in order to just cut the lines of code down. That's what I probably would have done, spent more time on learning how to create the custom methods and then thinking out the logic of the code. Other than that, just to go back to that text edit here, this is running so slow. Well, that's about it. We see that this computer is running slow, so right now, at this moment, nothing really needs more clarification. It just needs more so time. But that is it for week 1. We'll be talking next week in week 2. Thank you. You guys have a great day.